The office of the Syiem of Hima Sohra expressed satisfaction and gratitude to the government for agreeing to rename the road to Duwansing Syiem Road from Mokkodok to the office of the Syiem Hima Sohra, paying tribute to a revered Syiem. Syem's remarkable achievements have left a lasting impact on Hima Sohra. MLA of Sohra Gavin M. Milliam extended gratitude to the government for approving the name change. He highlighted Syem's significant contributions, including unifying the Hima Sohra, establishing customs and traditions, and promoting knowledge through missionaries.
Kani kadai kasin kabasaw kabala kila pelong kerpang ya kani kasingi ka laipo tarik jong new penai Oktober manlagas nem ban kemau burom yo Syiem Duwansing Syiem Syiem bakrau jong kani ka Hima Sohra panagalyang ka jonga ka Syiem kani kalat bat ai play kerpang ya iba vivir mai ibalong isketri jong ka Hima Sohra blalum jingtip labun bala snaru yakini ikot lingkodop man pulsang ban pinsapriang yakini kubur yakikam kiparat ba bon Syiem bakrau jong ka Hima Sohra ulale hakapor bodanglong Syiem jong kani Hima Sohra hakitikipor ipamansua.
The National People's Youth Front